Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to withdraw funds from Venmo. To withdraw funds from your Venmo balance, you can transfer them to a linked bank account or a debit card or use a Venmo debit card at an ATM. So what here you need to do is simply open the Venmo app onto your device here and tap on the Me from the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, you want to make sure to start transfer. For that, tap on Add or Transfer button. Some users see Manage. You just have to locate under your wallet balance. Then you need to enter amount. That means input the specific amount you wish to withdraw. You then need to select speed. That means standard 1 to 3 business days. This method is free. Instant minutes means typically arrives within 30 minutes. A 1.75% or fee or applies minimum as well. Then you need to confirm your destination, that means link bank or eligible debit card, and tap the green transfer button. As you do this, if you have a Venmo debit card, you can withdraw cash directly from your balance as well. And this way, you're supposed to withdraw Venmo funds. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.